Let's learn all about spring. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. Imagine the year is split into 4 parts, and each part has different kinds of weather, called seasons. Spring is when flowers bloom, trees grow new leaves, and everything feels fresh and awake. Summer is sunny with lots of warmth and fun outdoor activities. Autumn, also called fall, is when the leaves on trees change color and fall down. It starts to get chilly outside. And winter is when it gets really cold, and sometimes it snows. It's a time for snowmen, hot chocolate, and feeling all cozy inside. These 4 parts together make up the 4 seasons, and each one is super special and brings its own kind of fun. The spring months are March, April, and May. Spring comes after the season of winter and before summer. Spring weather can be mixed. Some days in spring might be cold, windy, or rainy, while some may be warmer. You might notice that the daytime gets longer and longer during the spring months. This means that the evenings are lighter. It may still be light when you go to bed. Spring is a time for new life and growth. Let's look at all the different signs that it is springtime. Bees. Bees hibernate over winter, so when the weather becomes warmer and plants begin to flower, bees wake up and start to collect pollen and nectar. Blossom. The flowers on a tree are called blossom. They begin to grow in spring. Bluebells. Bluebells are often found growing in woodland areas. They flower in April and May. Buds. A bud is the young part of a plant. In spring, buds start to grow into a flower, leaf, or shoot. Catkins. Catkins are long, thin flowers that don't have any petals. These flowers grow on trees such as silver birch and white willow and appear in early spring. Chick. Baby birds are often thought of as a sign of spring because they need to be warm before they hatch, and so the warmer weather in spring is perfect for them. Daffodil. These flowers grow in spring and are a symbol of new beginnings, just like spring is a time for new life. Lamb. Sheep give birth to lambs in spring when the cold weather has passed and the fresh grass is growing. Nest. Birds often build their nests in spring so they can lay their eggs and raise their young in the warmer weather. Primrose. These small woodland plants flower from late winter all the way through until the end of spring. Returning birds. Birds fly to warmer places at the start of winter, then as the weather warms up in spring they return home. Tadpoles. Most tadpoles begin to hatch from frog spawn in spring and continue to develop into frogs over summer. We can use our 5 senses to explore spring. In the spring, you can use your nose to smell flowers. You can use your eyes to see butterflies. You can use your ears to hear birds singing. You can use your tongue to taste strawberries. You can use your hands to feel the wind. Now that we know all about spring, let's play a game. Look through the binoculars and see if you can figure out the spring animal or insect. Lamb. Chicks. Daffodils. Blossom. Calf. Butterfly. Piglet. Tadpoles. Bumblebee. Ladybug. Great work! Now let's look at some spring pictures and answer questions about them. Why is the girl using an umbrella? It's raining. Why are the children looking at the sky? They are watching the butterflies. Why is the child happy? She is picking flowers. Great work! What is your favorite thing about spring? I hope you enjoyed learning about spring.